Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's review in this video tutorial entire feature of VirtualDj Advanced 2021. Lot of the feature have been added by a software developer, so let's see it step by step how you will use to make a highly effective or listenable, either it's an video content or audio content, how you will generate effective listenable sound. For example, I would like to show you how this feature have been added, and because of that now sound C I would like to show you. See guys, I would like to play. So see guys here, similar song, if I would like to have a without a vocal, let's see, once again I would like to start from here to here. Now let's see without vocal sound. Now it's a unheighted. Now see guys, now it's a heighted, but without unheighted vocal sound will be there, but without vocal sound as instrumental if I would like to have, then simply I will unhide, deselect this one I mean, and just I would like to play. Now C sound. But vocal sound is there already. How it is so? See, if I give a vocal sound here, now see. Now see that. So it was without vocal sound there. Now, so of course you can add and you can generate of any musics as an instrumental easily and karaoke. Similarly, if you would like to reload your voice on these music tracks by removing this vocal sound, of course you can have. How it is show? Simply you need to go in setting to guys. Just you need to click on audio format, audio to a speaker to just you need to click on here, and any deck 1, 2 of course you can have no problem at all. Just you need to click mics and you can remove it, no problem. This one mic I have selected now. Fine, just I will apply here. I will apply. Now see guys here, what I will do, simply I will go for in a master section, I will play on this record options. So this was a master record, but here I need a music, so just I will on. So now see guys, music. Of course if I remove the vocal sound and I would like to have, now see, I would like to show you guys. Let's start. Hello. So of course you can have a musical show on the basis of music. Of course you can give your vocal sound. If you would like to off, just simply go for turn offs. Now it's off. So with vocal sound, if you would like to, of course, any announcement by giving, so just need a vocal sound. Of course, now hello, of course. So see guys here, of course, mic features quite good by this ones. So it can be now used in a studio also to have effective sound guys. Simultaneously, let's see what's the bass, kick, head. Now see guys, this vocal sound only what I need, no need to have any instrumental. So now see guys, what it will be only played by vocal sound, that's all, nothing music will be there. Now see, and too much more effective than just to go for stream effects. Now see guys, so guys, see here, actually I have already selected one thing that I would like to show you guys here. Just let me go in just interface to this one default option. Just I need to select. Now see guys here, we have selected here delay option. So this is a delay option here. So I have taken 30 by 17% is this one weight, and length that is 90 means just I mean 90-degree angle, just you have to keep it, that's all. Now I have increased this one's audio hi-hat, and gainer also I have increased this one's. Simultaneously I have taken a reverb, so music will be like that, just it's playing in a hall. So of course you can have without reverbs you will play, but it will see that 1 2 3 sound is just I mean functional on especially your content. But here in a hall, so many speaker is especially connected with this, especially while you're playing the music, guys. So reverb I have also this one selected. But see, so many features have been given here. One is a shrink loop, second is a how you will use. I will show you in the next video tutorial. Loop cut, loop count, key loops, of course, key loop down, half speed is also, detune is also added, builder is also added, and balance fader is also added here. And this is a, see guys, slip breaks it, that's it also. And virtual effects that I have already mentioned to you, it's here, STMax and the virtual X, of course, and that's one feature. Now see guys, I have already added, and I have selected defaults options. If you would like to now I'm coming on especially, if you would like to have a sampler, in a sampler, so guys, simply you need to click list and advise, in there you need to click on a sampler to instrumental. So these all are your instrumental sampler here in a VirtualDj advanced. And recording video, of course, you know, audio, this is I mean audio effects especially, it will work also as a sampler and instrumental. This is your, and this is your very famous, this is saxo, so these all are here you're gonna have. Now one thing I would like to hear, see a screen, if you would like to change of especially videos, show how you can. Now see guys, for video screen, of course you can change by clicking here, but you need to click on an interface 2. Of course this is a broadcast, this is back shapes, so it will be like that. Now see guys, this is for broadcaster, here will be your camera. Now see guys, for broadcast, for live, of course you can have, this will be like that, none means there will be no one. Now black shapes, broadcaster, too many screen, video screen you can change, just broadcaster UI. Now see guys, broadcaster, I'm the waveform ribbon. Now see wave and titles, of course. Now see guys, minimalist UK, so that is now minimalist, this one's orchestra. Now see guys here, like that, television. Now see vintage, so it will be play in a television like that. Let's see. Now so this one is a screen, and if you would like to man GUI screen change, of course how you will. So let me keep it none one is video screen, and now I would like to show you. See, this is my old one, so you will see this is old one, that was a default. Now blocks, it will be a like that, guys. So according to your own visualization, wherever you comfort to operate this, of course you can sense. Now this is a controller. So how it look like now, see guys, this is your rework, of course. This is a ZTS, of course. Now see here, crawls, job create. Now old school, guys. Now see multi-touch, that is a party mix, of course. Now this is a pointer, X it is, and this is a project X slider. So it will take a time, guys. X slider, simultaneously project X. Also it will take a time to reload. Now see guys, lot of the features there. In the project X, it will also take time. Now I would like to show you BBDX. Now see guys, here 8-9 song the once time, and you can operate the whole musics. Yes. Now see guys, this is your sampler, and this will be a too much feature is here, so you can down it, and then you can see all the features here. At the moment I am not going to play. If you want, then of course I will show you how you will make an effective in also dig it, how you will make effective song, and what's the use of these all options. Just raise the comment guys if you would like to have. This is a temporary and the basic tutorial that where it is and what it is. So now see guys, it's a 8 now simultaneously. This is virtual pointer. Now see guys, this is virtual pointer. Too much the feature is also there. Simultaneously I will go back now on old. I like this ones. So guys, this is for your screen changing, or either it's your video screen or body screen of this video tutorial, especially for this. Now see, this is a mapping, of course, key button setup. So I've already mentioned to you how you will set up the key by pressing your according to your own visualization. I will show you in a next video tutorial if you want a tutorial. This is for options, controller, and extensions. This is a feature that here you can install this one also guys. Now see, directly you can install it, and you can uninstall it also. So see guys, this is extension, and once you would like, so of course directly you can install it. In advanced too much the feature is given here. Now see guys, here HD remix directly you can have. Just you need to click once and it will be installed. Now see guys, broadcast, directly you can broadcast video, audio, of course radio server, this all by clicking, and you have to give a link there, and then this is the remote and this is the record option, of course guys. Once again I will come in audio. In audio, see guys, computer, audio, USB sound card, the mics, the speaker, takes, of course everything is given there. I will come in a best feature. This is the best feature, all guys here. Here that video control is also given, video effects is also given here. So see guys, this all what is the use of a specific and when we can use phantom effects, whatever its color, so cue a scratch, cue and loops beat. So these all things in a detail I will show you in the next video tutorial one by one. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. Here I have taken volume 2 decks, but we have 6 decks approximately, and here is of course, now see, according to just you can change the dish wave, you can increase size wave of this. Let's have once more this music.